Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a component that might seem small, but plays a crucial role in countless electronic projects. The HIROSE Electric DF11-30DS-2C connector socket. This isn't just any connector. It's a precision-engineered piece from HIROSE Electric, a brand synonymous with quality and reliability in the electronics world. When one looks at the DF11-30DS-2C, the first thing that stands out is its robust design. This is a 30-position socket, meaning it's capable of handling a significant number of connections within a compact footprint, thanks to its 2mm pitch. For anyone working on intricate circuits or needing to consolidate multiple signals, this density is a huge advantage. The DS in the model number typically indicates a dual-row configuration, further enhancing its space-saving capabilities. The primary connection method for this particular socket is dual crimp. This is where the HIROSE quality truly shines. Crimp connections, when done correctly, offer exceptional mechanical strength and electrical integrity. The dual crimp design often implies a more secure connection, gripping the wire insulation as well as the conductor, which significantly reduces strain and improves long-term reliability, especially in environments subject to vibration or movement. This makes it an ideal choice for applications where a solid, dependable connection is paramount, from industrial controls to consumer electronics. HIROSE Electric, as the manufacturer, has a reputation for stringent quality control and innovative design. Their connectors are known for their precise mating characteristics, ensuring a secure and low-resistance electrical path. The DF11 series itself is well regarded for its versatility and performance. While the general category might sometimes include screw-type connectors, this specific DF11-30DS-2C is all about the efficiency and reliability of crimp technology, offering a robust solution for wire-to-board or wire-to-wire applications when paired with a compatible header. Considering that these are available in quantities of 100 items, it's clear they are intended for serious projects, prototyping, or small-scale production runs. Having a bulk supply of such high-quality connectors on hand can be incredibly beneficial, ensuring consistency across multiple builds and saving time on sourcing individual components. For engineers, hobbyists, or anyone building complex electronic systems, investing in components like the HIROSE DF11-30DS-2C means building with confidence, knowing that the foundational connections are solid and dependable. It's a testament to HIROSE's commitment to providing top-tier solutions for demanding electronic requirements.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.